In this video, we're looking forward onto the topic, how to fix MotionEye motion detection not working. Step 1. Check camera configuration. Ensure the camera is correctly configured in MotionEye. If using an IP camera, verify the URL, username, and password. Make sure the camera is functioning properly by checking its feed in the MotionEye interface. Step 2. Check motion detection settings. Go to motion detection setting in the MotionEye interface. Ensure that the motion detection is enabled for the camera. Adjust the motion detection sensitivity. Sometimes the sensitivity is too low or too high. Start by adjusting the sensitivity and try again. Test by increasing the minimum motion frames. This can reduce false positives. Step 3. Check MotionEye Logs. Go to MotionEye Logs and check for any error messages that could point to issues with the motion detection service or the camera connection. If you have noticed errors related to the permissions or other configuration, address them as indicated. Step 4. Camera image quality. Ensure that the camera resolution and quality that are good enough for the MotionEye to detect motion. Low resolution or poor quality feed not trigger motion detection reliably. Step 5. Check the file storage collection. Verify that the file storage path for the capture images or video is accessible and has sufficient space. MotionEye won't record or trigger motion detection if it cannot write to the specified storage path. Step 6. Reboot MotionEye. Sometimes restarting the MotionEye service can fix temporary glitches. Restart the system or the MotionEye service to check if the issue persists. Step 7. Update MotionEye. To check which version of MotionEye you are using, log into the web interface, and in the system information section, you will see the version listed. Go to your MotionEye's OS web interface via the IP address. Example. MotionEye's OS has an automatic update mechanism. Navigate to the settings menu in the top right corner. Look for an option such as check for updates or update. If any update available, you will prompt it to install it. Click apply or install update to update to the latest version. Step 8. Check the MotionEye web interface. In some cases, the web interface settings might get corrupted. Try cleaning your browse cache or using a different browser to access the interface. Step 9. Adjust the region of interest. Make sure the region of interest is configured correctly. You may have accidentally set the region incorrectly, which can affect motion detection. If you don't need to exclude parts of the video's feed from motion detection, ensure the ROI is set to cover the entire image. Step 10. Network issues. Check if there are any network issues such as intermittent connectivity with the camera. A weak or dropped network connection can affect MotionEye's ability to detect motion. Thank you.